It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. The sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss. The times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life means. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you love. Emotions are made to be destroyed.
The moment I saw you, could this be a new thing? I wondered if we could be. Although we were friends again and again, I tried to convince myself I cannot resist the fact that I love you so. It's crazy
got so messed up. We started off so damn right, but you left the place that we called love. I still remember that night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I was never in love with you, and how most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I knew you just weren't right. Yeah, I was in love with someone I wish you were. Loved you, I was close, kept you just a blur. I couldn't face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you. Truth is, I was never in love. Now that I've had a real taste of what a healthy love should be, I see how much of a waste my love was on you. Maybe I needed to be hurt by someone like you, damage done. Now that I felt the dirt, I know a diamond when I see one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I was never in love with you, and how most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I knew you just weren't right. Yeah, I was in love with someone I wish you were. Loved you, I was close, kept you just a blur. I couldn't face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I looked at us through a filter. The real thing looked nothing alike. I gave it all I'd have killed for you. You were always cold inside. I was never in love with you, and how most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I don't even like you. I knew you just weren't right. I was in love with someone I thought you were. Loved you, I was close, kept you just a blur. I couldn't face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Whenever it's early twilight, I watch till a star breaks through. Well, funny, it's not a star I see. It's always you. Whenever I roam through roses, and lately I often do. Funny, it's not a rose I touch. It's always you. Well, if a breeze caresses me, it's merely you strolling by. If I hear a melody, it's merely the way you sigh. wherever you are, you're near me, and dare me to be untrue. Oh, funny, each time I fall in love, it's always you. Well, if a breeze caresses me, it's really you strolling by. And if I hear a melody, it's merely the way you sigh. Wherever you are, you're near me, and dare me to be untrue. Well, funny, each time I fall in love,